Welcome to EIS Music Art Studio. This is a series of animation sketches I have done in the past. I hope you enjoy drawing them. We are ready to go. Let's start sketching our jumping character. Obviously, this is the first frame. As you can see, this is a hand-free looking sketch. It is very rough, right? The idea here is to concentrate on the movement of the character, not details. Also notice that I'm using the onion skin. This will help you see the drawing before and after. This is straight ahead animation, but it's also pose to pose. As an animator, it is very important to get familiar with both of these styles. Just to remind you, the best way to improve is to practice. I will create more thumbnails tutorials in the future. Another important tip is keep it simple. Don't try to do so much. But try your best, take your time, and have fun doing it. So don't let me do all the work. Just pause the video and draw with me. You can use a sketchbook. Also remember that drawing animation is not a talent. It is a skill, so practice and practice. Stop saying, "I can't do this." Here it is. Now we will sketch a smoke effect. You can start very simple and later on you can add more details. This is a very simple way to create a smoke effect, but it will add more life to your projects. There are many ways to dissipate dust, but this is a simple way. It's just drawing M's, E's, and C's. Here it is. Next, we will animate the curtains. You can see the action slightly move in the form of a wave. This is called the wave principle. They are basically a series of arcs that give your animation a natural and fluid movement. To make the impression that the curtain is opening and closing, Notice how I changed the degree of the angle of this triangle. For this sketch, the character who planted a seed will wait impatiently for the plant to grow. He will get excited when finally it starts to grow. To show that he is ready to bend forward, I will make him move back before moving him forward. This is called anticipation. For his arm, I pull them back a little bit. Little by little, he is moving forward and his head is getting closer to the ground. Right here, he is on the standing position again. To show that he's confused, I will draw his hand touching his head. I am working very roughly here. Remember, this is the first stage of the animation, but I still need to communicate the idea. Now he's going to try again and look down. Here he is getting very close to the ground because he finally sees the plant growing. Maybe he will get excited when he sees a beautiful flower. Grow some hair and then the plant. Here it is. Ready for the next sketch? Let's sketch a tree and a nest with a baby bird. He's probably afraid to be in the nest by himself. Maybe mom is looking or searching for food. He decided to look down. Now he knows he's high up on a tree. Remember that every hour you spend planning will save you twice of time of animation. So take your time now and you will save time later. Oops, I don't like this pose. I will change it later. The baby bird is out of the nest. Not a good idea. Very soon, he will realize it's not fully feathered. Don't worry, he will securely hold on to a branch. Let's add some in-betweens. He is ready to come out of his nest by stretching his body. Simply changing the timing and the spacing of the keyframes by adding in-betweens. Here's another sketch. As you notice, we start in the up position. Work rough, then we add more details. Here it is.